again, man. We're having a good time. We just got back from that 5-ton job over there, pulling out 2 forklifts and moving a trailer around for a guy so we can get it out of his yard. But we are in the Black Pearl with the squeaky driveline and all, headed up the switchbacks in Zion National Park, headed for East Zion to pull out a truck in the mud. Where are you pointing that thing?
You.
At me?
Yeah.
Oh, anyways, Chris is pointing it down at the floor. It looks like he's pointing the camera at the floor, but we're headed up the switchbacks in Zion National Park, and we're going to go pull a truck out of the mud on the North Fork Road. It's that nice blue clay, so we're super excited about getting the Jeep all muddy. We'll get up the road and we'll take you along for the ride. Yeah, can you believe it? That's my office. Yeah, my office. Wait till you see the rest of it. Look at all that up there.
Trailer first, John, I think. That is a gooey miss.
I'm gonna pick that trailer up.
That's very gooey. Where? From there on back. Okay. We're just gonna winch the trailer up.
Okay.
We'll explain what he's doing.
I think even if I have to pull it forward and get it clear over here, we might even be able to back it.
You want a soft shackle?
No, I probably need to look at it.
Hey, do you want this camera sitting somewhere and me to use the other one?
I don't care. I'm here to work. Back out here.
What do you need, Case?
Make sure it don't get too soft where I'm going.
You're all right.
Okay, now can I turn it, go that way, and then push it back towards that hill without getting stuck?
Okay, just follow it.
Do I need to do that one more time?
Nope, you're good.
But what if I get stuck in that hole?
No, you're good.
But am I going to get stuck right there in that hole?
No. You're all right. It's pretty sandy. Okay. No, you're tight.
Can you see that other side? Probably not.
Well,
You can see that side, right? You're okay.
Well, I'm in a vague window where I'm going. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, take it to the east a little bit. There you go.
It's pretty bad. We just got up here to...
This is not like packing a trailer.
East a little bit, Case. There you go, just follow it. What's that, John?
We got the Dennett's, it was dry as could be.
Yeah,
I loaded the four-wheelers and I said, I'll give you 5 minutes or 3 or 4 minutes. And I probably waited 2 and said, if you don't come back and tell me, I'll just start coming up with the empty trailer. And I made it from Dennett's turn off to there.
yeah. Well, I can tell it turns bad in a hurry. East a little bit. There you go.
Now, if they weren't there, we could just back right in there.
East. East.
Oh, dang it. We might have some...
Whoa. Hey. Hey.
East. You put me on YouTube.
Yep.
Got a block sticking in that or the rock.
Just follow it around.
Hurt anything?
No.
You're good.
Hold that. You want to hook up right there? Come back just a little bit. A little bit.
You want to block that?
You want me to ask them to move?
I think you could keep. I think you could keep bringing it back till it's up on this.
You want me to?
Well,
And then we can just... Well, and I might
I
just
can- I
load the
can
four-wheelers
turn it
in it and
and
leave it there till it dries out, and then just hook on and
yeah,
hold
that's
it
what I
away.
would do.
You always wonder what you're in there. What am I screwing up?
It's just catching your hook. Cut it this way. Cut it this way. Now just go straight back and then kind of cut your nose this way. Grab a flat rock if you can, bud. A little bit further. A little bit.
Yeah, until this turns soft.
All right, this is real sandy.
can hook it right in that hard shackle. Just hook it just like this.
It's on the front of the truck or Jeep.
I should trade you. Hold on a second. I'll need the hard shackle on the Jeep. You see what I'm saying by that? Why I say that? I need that on my bumper.
Yeah.
I can't put this through the bumper.
Turn it to, yep. Other way, John, other way. He's trying. I just pull them straight now. All right, hold that.
Oh, yeah, I'm stuck.
I didn't think I was driving through that much.
Now we'll hook up down here on the road, John, and pull you back down. Coming out of it.
Underground water that you didn't even see. It didn't look anything like
It
this.
kind of looks like someone got stuck right there.
Now it does.
Grab that shovel and run it down to him.
Get it from here, you'll probably make it. Get them four-wheelers out of the way. Let's see how it's done. You have to have to bank up there in the trees, though.
What have I told you? You can call me anytime.
Thank you.
I don't know why you waited till 3:30.
Because it wasn't dark yet.
Well,
That's the rule. All right. Well, we got that done. We had to move that trailer out of the way, so we had a little bit more room to get that Duramax out of there, but we just picked that up with the winch and backed it back down the road and